Okay, so what is the difference between abstract class and interface?
The abstract class and interface difference is, inside a abstract class we have to write the partial implementation, mean abstract and non-abstract methods, but inside an interface we have to write the 100% abstraction, means we don't need to mention the body there. Okay, then for both we can create the variables, we cannot create the object, because abstract class is restrict the user. Like whenever in Java having the multi-level inheritance, so what Java is doing is putting the abstract class there, so it is not allowing to create the direct object, because abstract class is restricting the user to don't create the object there. Okay, similarly interface we cannot create the object, but both we can create the variables, and child class reference we can assign to this variable and we can access this data. This is the main differences.